We get a ton of questions about what the heck this oval plate is, where it goes, how it attaches. So this plate actually is going to install on the rear base plate of your backsplash on your Cuisiniere, which the warming oven is attached to here. And we're gonna show you how both of these plates install into the rear. It does take these screws that are located right there that do come with the unit. So we're gonna swap you around the back, show you how it goes. All right, a few things to point out on this. Your plates are basically the same size as these holes. So you can see here, it's good to preset your screws before you put your plates in. So you can see how he put in these two bottom screws to get it started. So we're gonna add in 2 screws on this side here. And then we're going to come and put the plate in to hold those screw positions. And then he's going to tighten that 3rd screw in. Boom. And then come back and retighten these second 2.